Good morning, students. Hope you all are fit and fine by God's grace and taking care of your health and hygiene. Welcome to your first computer class in class 5. I am Rupesh Dey, your computer teacher. See, in this crisis time, the normal piece of everything is hindered and we cannot start our physical classes before July. And after July also what will happen, nobody knows. I will give the study material, notes, worksheet and video in your student portal of our school website. So stay at home, follow the website to get the materials and attend my live classes to clear all your doubts. When you will attend the live class, you must wear your school uniform and keep your video on. At the beginning, you have to wish your teacher and then you have to mute yourself. When you need to ask any question or when you need to respond the question of teacher, that time only you unmute yourself and speak. Then again you have to mute yourself. Otherwise it will create a noise. I will take frequent tests on your portion. So be very serious and study properly. So let's start today's lesson. We will start from chapter 1. I hope all of you have purchased your computer book. If you have not purchased, then also no problem because I will be giving the soft copy of your first chapter and we will read from that chapter. So let's start. Our first chapter is Evolution of Computer. Here in this chapter, the key concept what we will learn are history of computers, generation of computers, and characteristics and limitation of computers. So let's start with history of computer. In today's class, we will only learn history of computers. See, these are the pictures 1, 2, 3, 4, and here was A, B, C, D. You have to match which one is old version of the device and which one is the latest version of the device. This is the old version of phone and this is latest phone. This is old washing machine, new washing machine. CRT TV and this is LCD or LED, today's TV. This was old computer and now this is laptop. So this is evolution. The activity shows how machine changes. These changes take place over a period of time. The first computer was invented more than 80 years ago. The early computers were huge and slow machines, a size just like a room. Over the years, they have undergone changes in size, speed, appearance, and technology. In early times, people used stones, figures, bones for calculation. However, this method could not be used to count large numbers or to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. Because in that case, you have to collect lot of bones, stones, or fingers. But we have only 10 fingers. So that's why it was difficult for the humans to calculate or count large numbers. Over the years, several devices were invented and that were capable of performing various mathematical operations. So let's learn about these calculating devices. Abacus. This was the first calculating device to be used. It was developed in China. Chinese people, they have developed this abacus. This is a picture of abacus. It is a simple device made up of frame with rods. This is a frame with some rods. Each rod has a definite number of beads. These are beads. See, it was mainly used by merchants. Merchant means the people who buys or sell goods to perform the basic calculations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So we move these beads in rods, and then this device find out the result. The word abacus is taken from the Greek word abax, which means a flat surface. Then next, Napier's board was invented by John Napier in 1617. It was a manual calculating device, means the device which was handled by hand. The device consisted of rods made of bones, ivory or metal with number written on them. See the picture. It was mainly used for multiplication and division. As the device was made up of bones and invented by John Napier, that's why the name of the device was Napier's board. Next is Pascaline. The Pascaline was the first mechanical calculator. So this question may come, what is the name of first mechanical calculator? That is Pascaline. It was developed by Blaise Pascal in 1642. That's why the name is Pascaline. It consisted of a rectangular box with numbers written on rotating wheels. See, these are rotating wheels. It could perform addition, subtraction and carry tens, hundreds and thousands between digits. That means this device was capable to perform subtraction and addition on large numbers. Then difference engine. The difference engine was designed by Charles Babbage in 1822. It was designed to perform mathematical operations automatically. So this was first automatic calculator. It was powered by steam and was one of the earliest automatic calculator. In Did You Know It is written between 1847 and 1849, Babbage completed the design of another difference engine. This design was simpler than first one. So this was the first difference engine. The picture of second difference engine is not given in your book. You can very well search in Google to find out that. Then analytical engine. Analytical engine was designed by Charles Babbage in 1837. It is considered as world's first general purpose computer. That's why Charles Babbage is called the father of computer. It was designed as a mechanical computer that could perform any kind of calculation. The machine had four components: the mill, store, reader and printer. Mill was the calculating unit, that means it was the processor of the computer. Then store, that was the memory where the data was held. Then reader and printer were the input and output devices respectively. Next is tabulating machine. The tabulating machine was the electromechanical machine invented by Herman Hollerith. It was developed to process data for the 1890s United States Census. Census means people counting. It was used to assist in counting and recording the given information in lesser time. That means the machine was little faster than other machine in that time. It used punch card to record and sort data. The input was fed into the tabulating machine in the form of punch card. That means through punch card, it used to take input data, record data and sort data. The machine could count the number of holes in each card to record the information. That means through punch card it used to take input and to store, record and sort data. That means the process or output data used to store in the punch card only. See here it is written about punch card. Punch cards are paper cards containing several punch holes to represent data. This card stores information that can be accessed by inserting the card into the computer. That means each time punch card need to be inserted into the computer to get the input, and again to store the data to the punch card need to be inserted. Then ENIAC. The full form is Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. It was the first electronic computer developed by J. Prosper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1946. The ENIAC was extremely large in size, just like a room. It contains several thousands different components. It also consumed a large amount of electricity and produced a lot of heat. Then the UNIVAC, full form is Universal Automatic Computer, was the second commercially available computer after BENIAC, and full form of BENIAC is Binary Automatic Computer. UNIVAC was developed by J. Prosper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1950. Okay. So we have learned history of computer, and this ENIAC, EDVAC, tabulating machine, analytical engine, difference engine, Pascaline, Napier's bone, abacus. These were calculating machine in those days. So check your progress you will do in your home. Next day we will solve this. So today up to this much. You must take care of your diet and do some workout at home so that you can stay fit. See you in our next class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.